Listen up, this isn't just another economic downturn, it's a reality check, a wake-up call for all of us. The world's a jungle out there, a complex ecosystem where only the fittest survive. Just like the harshest terrains, recessions are a test of human resilience. They challenge our very core, pushing us to our limits. Markets crash, jobs vanish, and fear runs rampant. It's a chaotic storm that spares no one. It's a punch to the gut, no doubt. The uncertainty can be paralyzing, making us question our every move. But guess what? We humans, we're built to survive. Our ability to come together, to collaborate is our greatest strength. We adapt, we improvise, we overcome. Innovation and creativity become our lifelines. Remember, the toughest storms often give way to the most breathtaking sunrises. It's in the aftermath that we find our true potential. Recessions aren't new, they're cyclical beasts. History repeats itself, and with each cycle, we learn and grow. Understanding this pattern is key. It's about recognizing the signs and knowing when to act. It's about recognizing the danger signs, respecting the power of the storm, and preparing for the inevitable. Preparation is our shield, because when you're prepared, fear loses its grip. You gain control over your destiny. You become the predator, not the prey. You take charge, you strategize, and you execute with precision. Knowledge is your ultimate weapon. The more you know, the better equipped you are to navigate the storm. Understanding how recessions work gives you a tactical advantage. It's like having a map in uncharted territory. Think of it as studying the terrain, learning the habits of the predators. You need to know what you're up against. You need to know your enemy. The more you understand, the better you can anticipate and react. Analyze economic indicators, study market trends, and learn from history's lessons. This isn't about panicking, it's about preparing. It's about being proactive, not reactive. It's about facing the challenge head-on, armed with knowledge and a survivor's spirit. It's about resilience and determination. So buckle up, my friend. This journey won't be easy, but it's one we can conquer together. We're about to navigate this treacherous terrain together and emerge stronger on the other side. Together, we'll rise above the storm and find our way to a brighter future. Remember, surviving tough times isn't about brute strength. It's about strategy and preparation. It's about having a plan and sticking to it, even when the going gets tough. Just like venturing into the wilderness, you need the right gear. Without the proper tools, you wouldn't last long in the wild, and the same goes for financial turbulence. In a recession, that gear is financial knowledge. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate through the storm. First, assess your current position. Take a good hard look at where you stand financially. Take stock of your income, expenses, debts, and savings. This will give you a clear picture of your financial health. Be brutally honest with yourself. Don't hide from the numbers, face them head on. This is no time for sugarcoating. The more realistic you are, the better prepared you'll be. This is about understanding your strengths and weaknesses. Next, build your budget. A well-thought-out budget is your roadmap to financial stability, and I don't mean a flimsy wish list. Your budget should be detailed and realistic. I mean a lean, mean survival plan. This plan should focus on the essentials and cut out the non-essentials. Cut down on unnecessary expenses. This might mean making some tough choices, but it's necessary for your financial health. Identify areas where you can trim the fat. Look at your spending habits and see where you can make cuts. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned, especially when times are tough. Emergency funds are crucial. They provide a cushion for unexpected expenses. Imagine this as your survival kit. Just like you wouldn't go on a hike without a first aid kit, you shouldn't face financial uncertainty without an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses tucked away. This will give you peace of mind and a buffer if things go south. This safety net will be your lifeline if you lose your job or face unexpected expenses. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be. Educate yourself about personal finance. The more you learn, the more control you'll have over your financial future. Understand how investing, debt management, and budgeting work. These are the building blocks of financial stability. There are tons of resources available: books, podcasts, online courses. Take advantage of these resources to build your financial knowledge. Invest in yourself. It's the best investment you can make. Your financial future depends on the actions you take today. So gear up, educate yourself, and be prepared for whatever comes your way. The stock market during a recession can seem like a raging river ready to swallow you whole. The volatility and uncertainty can be overwhelming, making even the most seasoned investors second-guess their decisions. Fear not, my friend. With the right approach, you can navigate these turbulent waters and even find hidden treasures. It's all about having a strategy and sticking to it even when the waves get rough. Remember, recessions often create opportunities for savvy investors. When the market is down, it can be the perfect time to buy assets at a discount. When prices plummet, it's like a massive clearance sale on Wall Street. Stocks that were once out of reach can suddenly become affordable. Stocks of even solid companies can become undervalued, presenting a chance to buy low and potentially sell high when the market recovers. This is the essence of value investing. Diversification is your life jacket in these choppy waters. By spreading your investments, you reduce the risk of losing everything if one sector takes a hit. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify across different sectors and asset classes to protect your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like precious metals. Think long-term. The market may be down now, but history shows it will recover. Recessions are temporary, like storms, they eventually pass. The key is to stay patient and not make hasty decisions based on fear. Instead of panicking and selling off your investments at a loss, stay the course. Remember, selling in a panic locks in your losses. Ride out the storm and you'll likely come out stronger on the other side. Those who stay invested often see the greatest gains when the market rebounds. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth over time through smart, calculated moves. It's about making smart, calculated moves. Don't hesitate to seek advice. Consult with a financial advisor if needed. They can help you create a plan tailored to your specific situation. They can provide personalized guidance based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. A good advisor can be an invaluable resource during turbulent times. Remember, fortune favors the bold, especially those who prepare. By staying informed and making thoughtful decisions, you can turn market trembles into opportunities for growth and success. Section 4. Beyond the 9-to-5 side hustles to the rescue. When the economic ground shakes, it's time to build multiple pillars of support. Relying solely on your 9-to-5 job is like building your shelter on a fault line. Diversifying your income streams is crucial, and that's where the power of the side hustle comes in. Think of your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Can you turn that into a source of income? The possibilities are endless. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities. Freelancing, online teaching, virtual assistants, e-commerce, these are just a few avenues to explore. Turn your hobbies into hustles: photography, writing, crafting, baking. If you're passionate about it, chances are others are willing to pay for it. Remember, every extra dollar you earn through your side hustle is a step towards financial security. It's about creating a safety net, a buffer zone to protect you from the economic shocks. Section 5. The art of frugality: needs versus wants in survival mode. In the wild, resources are precious. Every ounce of energy, every drop of water counts. The same principle applies during a recession. It's time to master the art of frugality, to become a master of stretching every dollar. This isn't about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices. It's about differentiating between needs and wants. Food, shelter, healthcare, those are needs. The latest gadgets, designer clothes, fancy dinners, those are wants. Track your spending meticulously. Every penny counts. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or the good old pen and paper. Analyze where your money is going. You'll be surprised how much you can save by cutting back on small, seemingly insignificant expenses. Embrace the DIY spirit. Cook at home instead of eating out. Repair clothes instead of buying new ones. Find free or low-cost alternatives for entertainment. Get creative with your resourcefulness. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can use to build your financial fortress, to weather the storm and come out stronger on the other side.